We have always been told that space is a complete vacuum, a silent, empty void where nothing exists. But astronauts who have walked outside the International Space Station tell a different story. They say space has a smell, and it is not pleasant. When they return to the airlock and remove their helmets, they are hit by a strong, pungent odor clinging to their suits. They describe it as a mix of hot metal, welding fumes, and seared steak. So why does the universe smell like a barbecue? It is not the vacuum itself. It is caused by dying stars. The universe is filled with high-energy particles and compounds called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These are the same molecules found in coal, gasoline, and yes, overcooked meat. These particles smash into the astronauts' suits, and when they re-enter the pressurized ship, the particles react with the air, creating that distinct burnt smell. The cosmos literally smells like a garage on fire. If you want to smell the truth about our universe, hit that subscribe button. And to find out what would happen to your body if you took your helmet off in space, click the video on your screen right now.